welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back. Today we're going to show you Christmas in July. We always talk about Christmas in July, what we're going to celebrate. I'm going to show you a house tour of how my house looks for Christmas, and we're just going to go through room by room, little by little. I'm just going to give you a general tour, and so let's get ready to celebrate Christmas in July. Let's get started by looking in the kitchen. We have snowman cutouts on the refrigerator, and these are bowls that I put on the cabinets. One of my favorite parts of the kitchen that brings so much fun Christmas decor. Next, I'm going to show you the table. And this right here, let me get this toy out the way. And this right here is a little centerpiece. It's just something I put together, just added some flowers and some greenery. And in the middle, some Christmas ornaments in a jar. And this was a Christmas backdrop on the kitchen wall right here. I just added some garland and I put some lights behind it, which you'll see a little bit later. And this is how I had the little accent table set up. And this is my pantry. These are little, those little stickers that I actually got from the Dollar Tree. So it was pretty cool. And this is a banister. And here we are in the living room. Here's the tree that we have in the corner of the living room. And this is the fireplace and banners around the TV. And now I'm going to take you through my hallway. One of my favorite things is this huge garland over the doorway. Absolutely love that. And then this is another little accent table that we had other little Christmas knickknacks on also. And this is our front room. This is our biggest tree that we had from last year. And this is what I forgot to show in the hallway. This was replaced with our regular color flowers. I replaced it with Christmas colors, the little flower planter on the wall. And then I'm just going back to showing you a little bit more of the living room that we had with our Christmas tree, and then a closer look for the fireplace. When we get closer to Christmas, about November, I am going to show you step by step how I did decorate this fireplace and how you can do it to save money, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And I didn't have any videos, but here's a picture of our downstairs half bathroom and a picture of my daughter's bathroom. I surprised her last Christmas and decorated that. And this is outside our house, how we had it decorated for Christmas. And now I'm going to go back through the house again really quickly and just show you with the lights turned on. Just give you an idea how everything looked when the lights were lit up. And my daughter was sitting in the living room. She was reading a book. And this is a wall earlier that I showed you that I had put lights behind it, and that's how it looks once it's plugged in and lit up. A lot of these things I've gotten from different places, but you can always get the things from the Dollar Tree, like the hanging stockings, and you can get like the candy canes over the fireplace came from the Dollar Tree. All the little stockings except for these hanging on the fireplace, I did get those from Amazon and paid more than $1 value for those. But a lot of things you can get from the Dollar Tree, and you can also get some of this stuff from Walmart, and you can also check on Amazon. I know I got some of the table settings from there, the banners hanging up on the side of the fireplace, these stockings on the fireplace. So make sure you check out Amazon for their Christmas decorations as well. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Watch my video playlist for different decorations throughout the year, and have a royal day.